In this video, I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp messages not delivering issue. The first thing you want to do is check if there is a server outage in WhatsApp. For that, open up any web browser and search WhatsApp server. Now go ahead and open any reliable website such as Down Detector to check if there is any issue with WhatsApp server. If there is, you simply want to wait until this issue gets fixed. Now, if there is no problem, then the next thing you want to do is update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, launch open a Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search WhatsApp. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to long press on WhatsApp. Then tap on this app info icon, which will take you to WhatsApp settings. Here, tap on permissions. Make sure that all of these permissions are given. Next, head back. Now tap on the option of storage. Tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now you want to tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Next thing you want to do is tap on the option of mobile data. Make sure that allow background data usage is turned on, and also make sure that allow data usage while data saver is on is also turned on. Now tap on battery. Here you want to make sure that you have selected unrestricted or optimized. Once you have done all of this, open the WhatsApp and check if your issue has been fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.